announcement for everyone. If you want to get into top universities like MIT and Ivy Leagues, then it's mandatory for you. As we step into the realm of limitless possibilities in 2024. And we are not just equipped, we are geared up for something extraordinary. And this year is poised to be transformative. So we are proudly introducing our superhero who is Ivy Accelerator Program. It's not merely a program, it's a profile booster, a gateway to unlocking your full potential. So let's dive into the heart of Ivy Accelerator, where every service is designed to sculpt your journey. Expert-led SAT classes sharpen your skills with the guidance of top-notch SAT instructor, propelling you towards a score of 1600. Comprehensive language classes excel in TOEFL, IELTS, DET exams with the tailored classes, ensuring your English proficiency at its finest. AP exams mastery, ACE AP exams with expert guidance, securing a competitive edge in your application. Research papers support. Unlock the world of research paper writing with dedicated assistance. Personalized roadmap. Navigate your unique journey with a bespoke plan crafted for your strengths and aspirations. Dynamic portfolio website. Navigate your unique journey with a cutting edge online portfolio that captures your uniqueness. Exclusive extracurricular opportunities. Access unique experiences to enrich your profile and stand out to admissions committees. SAT fee waivers. Lighten the financial load of standardized testing with or support. Allied essay editing. Refine your narrative with input from MIT, Ivy League and top university students. Common app review. Ensure a flawless presentation of your achievements in the common application. Document support. Receive expert guidance in preparing all necessary documents from a seamless application process. Financial aid assistance. Navigate the CSS profile and financial aid application process seamlessly with our support. End-to-end support. From I-20 to visa assistance, departure, flight guidance to arrival support, we have got you covered. Post-arrival support, assistance with part-time jobs, SSN number and more after arriving in the USA. One-on-one sessions, personalized consultations to address your unique needs and concerns. Exclusive event access, free passes to all CTS summits or events. Summer program counselor, a dedicated counselor for summer program application. At VivaGS, RSI, LaunchX alumni will guide you, will edit your essay. Free content access, unlock all paid content to supercharge your preparation. Monthly, weekly meetings, connect with students at your dream university or alumni. Optional parents meetings, and there are also many services, but these services only will reveal to enrolled students. But here is an important part. There are 3 completely different batches, each with 30 students. You can choose according to your needs. And don't think that it's only an online program. You can also come here offline. But I know it's little bit difficult because you are a high school student. So you can come here for 1 day, 1 week or 1 month in your holiday, vacations, whenever you want. And I will give you guidance and try to balance your life. And don't worry about food, stay, I will cover everything for you. You will never feel that it's an online program. And yeah, I know it's little bit difficult to run this with the lack of funds. For the last 4 years, I fueled this journey with my personal funds. I helped countless students, but now it's your turn. And don't worry, I'm not asking for donations. I just want your contribution. Not for me, not for CTS, but for you. Because together we can pave the journey of your success. There are three batches: Ivy Accelerator, Ivy Accelerator Premium, and Ivy Accelerator Exclusive, which is the most demanding batch. So just enroll as soon as possible. Now, final reveal: cost, fee structure. So here is a fee structure. Some of you might think that it's too costly, too cheap, but just remember that we are not PW. We are not an academy or online coaching. We are here to build or make best version of yourself. We are here to boost or build your profile. We are completely different from just online coaching or industry. That's why we need lots of resources, money to build your profile. That's why it's not possible to do everything for free. Here is a good news: if you are applying before 20th of January, then here is a big 40% discount, because we are starting the whole program from 25th of January and we don't want any late or delay. So that's why. And if you are applying or enrolling before 20th of January, and maybe we will stop enrollment from 20th of January, so you just have few days to enroll. And just remember that we have limited seats. Okay, so how many students enrolled? So you, oh my god, you can see that 20 students already enrolled. So you have only few chances, or there are only few seats are available. So just go and enroll as soon as possible, because seats are filling extremely fast, because it's the most demanding program. But here is an also good news: if you are believing that you have financially burden, then we have financial aid form. So just fill financial aid form, but just remember that it's only for extremely dedicated and students who extremely need financial aid, because we are not here to make money. We are reinvesting your money. Let's cross the sky limits together, and thank you for your support. It's limited, because like we have limited seats and limited only for limited students, because we are believing on quality over quantity. We don't want hundreds of 200s of students, thousands of students. We just want 30 students in each batch, which is 90 students, and we want to work on their profile personally. Ivy Accelerator program is not just a program for me, it's a family. Thank you. See you in the program. Bye bye, all of you. All the best.